Ravi from Techno Machines. We are based in Delhi. Right now we have a booth here in Plastasia, and we are manufacturers of vertical injection molding machines. And welcome to the extended booth. We are showcasing here in this exhibition a very special machine, which is a patented machine, first time in the world. If you go through our booth in the extended platform of Plastasia, you will find more information about this machine. And if you Google it anywhere, you are not going to find it anywhere in the world other than us. The special thing about this machine is a single machine works as a two machines. It gives the output of two machines, whereby you are spending the capex is of one machine, the space is of one machine, the electricity is of one machine, but your output is of two machines. That is what is special about this, and that is what made it a patented product. Normally this is used for overmolding, or if you have an insert where you are molding a metal component with a plastic component, you are going to use a vertical injection molding machine. We are the manufacturers of this, Make in India, Modi ji ke Raj mein. We are only one of the couple of the people who are making this product here in India. So there is a list here. If you go on the virtual platform, you will find all the products that can be made by this. If you haven't been to Plastasia this year, I will suggest you must visit it the next time. And welcome to our booth and welcome to Plastasia. There is no other bigger and better exhibition other than Plastasia in India. So welcome, thanks for visiting our booth, and welcome next time.